But I do have some pretty good questions sometimes.
Yeah. That's what it's all about right there. So this was the first one we did?
Yeah.
After 2 inches of water?
Yeah. And it you know, moved down into this, definitely you're wet here.
Uh-huh.
Moved down fairly evenly.
Well, I bet the
What's a realistic goal for this in 5 years to be able to do?
How far are we
To
gonna
get better.
explore?
But yeah, I don't know.
Like 10 like what was Gail saying with his land? 10 seconds per inch?
Yeah, that's usually for the first inch. But yeah, it depends. You know, your soil texture is going to be influential, but the amount of biology that it's plants and biology that build soil structure.
Right.
And that help create the pore space. So some of this bottom land we were on this morning is very slow to infiltrate because it's a very dense, fine-grained texture, you know, a fair amount of clay
Right.
and silt, and water just takes a long time to get into it. And so this infiltration tells you, in a sense, what you're doing with the rainfall, which is also solar energy.
Okay, guys,
You know, it's about capturing solar energy, and if you can capture it as
Let's go get
infiltrated
some better
water,
shoes on.
that's really good.
Okay.
Because it doesn't cause flooding if it's infiltrating, or not immediately. It's a slow capture and then slow release, either by evaporation or evapotranspiration.
What are some...
But this water is solar energy.
Oh wow. Yeah, that
See
one
that?
got in there good.
Yeah, this took 1 inch. And you know, you have a nice profile of your litter. You have got pretty good litter cover here. You've got some decomposition. There'd be a lot of life down in this kind of stuff.
Right.
That you can see with these magnifiers. But yeah.
I really like the bush hogging because it allows me to go back to a reproductive stage of the grass that I can photosynthesize a lot more biomass quicker.
Yeah.
This part I've been able to build much faster than this down here because I just can't get it. As soon as I bush hog, then there's nothing left.